Hello everyone, this is a PTV Vissim tutorial on dynamic assignment to analyze the performance of vehicle on the given route test bed. So we have to follow these steps given over here from links to simulation, and we have to build the network with the links, connect the links with connectors, put the node for vehicle performance, parking lots for vehicle coming in and going out from one point to other point, desired speed, the speed limit for that lane, particular lanes, reduced speed for the right turners, stop sign for the right turners to yield the signal controller to design a signal timing, green time, red time, yellow time, a signal head is to operate on that signal control. Traffic is for the development of matrix, origin and destination matrix, to give a vehicle a direction from where it starts and from where it ends. And evaluation, in evaluation we check, for this project we check the vehicle network performance, and for simulation we adjust some parameter for simulation and we run the simulation to see the network performance for the particular test bed. So when you open the PTV Vissim, the user interface looks like this. Before starting any network, first go on the base data, go to the network settings, go to the units, select any units. For this project I'm selecting metric, click OK, and go to the edit user preferences, go to the network editor, double click on it, and it's strongly recommended to use the right click default button like that. Click on OK. Sometimes you go for other YouTube videos, they will create a link in the other way and this way, so don't get confused, stick with your default. Click OK. I have selected a test bed on 11th Street, intersection between the 11th Street, College Street, and the other street, 11th Street and the College Street. So you can drag the map like that. If you want, you can drag in and drag out to locate the particular test bed. Okay, so now in this case you can go on the Google map and see the test bed, exact real test bed, and you can check the number of lanes, number of through lanes, number of left turner lanes, number of ingoing outgoing lane in this intersection for each and every direction, and you can draw in your network. So to draw it, switch off the shift mode. There you can see the arrow. Start from here, hit the control button, right click in that direction. So I'm going in from westbound to eastbound. Can start from there, control, right click, stop there. How many lanes you want, you can check the Google map and see the number of lanes. I see number 2 lanes, number 2 through lanes and 2 left turners. So let's make 2 through lanes. You can drag it, keep it in the existing lane, so you can elongate it to certain length, how much you want, and you can just draw one left, the direction is opposite, and there is one, so 2 left turning lanes. Let me draw it jointly, 2 left turners. So to connect this link with this link, click the control button, right click and leave it like that. So link 1 from both, it goes to this left lane. If you don't want from both, if you just want from the second lane, the right hand side in the direction of travel is your lane 1 and adjacent to that is lane 2. So let's connect both. Lane can go in the left turn lanes. Click OK. So you can make the connector a little bit curved. You can increase the spline line like that, and for the right turners you can build this right turns after you build the network in every directions. So let's draw it for every directions. For this lane you have two right, two through and two left turns. You can draw it nice, catching on like that. You can adjust that by clicking the control right button, and you can adjust by holding that with the left button, something like that. Now you have to connect this with both control. Sometimes you won't be able to connect, just make sure you have in that. You can connect it, give spline line 10, click OK, so that you both from the both lanes they can go for left turn. You can drag it a bit back so you can see the distorted connectors. Click there, right click and recalculate spline so that it comes in the same direction. So you can do for each direction like that. Real quick, I'm adjusting according to my link. Let's draw this way traffic. Control, two lanes, okay. So if you go this, draw two lanes because the through traffic has two lanes, and a left turners. Left turn is also two lane. You can see two left lanes for this direction. Connect control Z. Connect this one with this. Give some spline number. Click OK. The left one is connected with through movement traffic, and in this direction you have two lanes. Two lanes. So in this direction you have two lane traffic, through traffic. Click OK, give two lanes, and you have two left turners. You can give a separate left turner, or you can combine into for simplicity. Make sure you don't overlap it, and connect this. Okay, 10 spline. Okay, you can see it's distorted and generate spline to make it together. So now draw the light turns. Okay, before drawing right turn, you have to build in this direction as well. So let me drag a little bit this side to give a space. Just link two number of lanes. As you can see, two number lanes in that direction. You can click on this into so internet. If you mess everything up, just click in this, it will come off to automatic. So you can extend like that. Make the left turn lateral. You can see the stiff. You can see stiff connector. You can delete it and draw again. Make sure it is after the right turns. Give some space for right turns. Connect it. Get spline. Alrighty. Move it a little bit more aside. Oh, sorry. Recalculate the spline and give two lane flow in this direction. Give a little bit space to connect. Give it right turns. One to one. You can regenerate, recalculate the spline to make it there. One to one. Click OK button. One to one. Okay. Now you can connect the two traffics. Same way, connectors. Right click, control, right click, drag it like that. You can't be able to look at some time. Make sure you go on the end. Don't connect it unless and until it shows connector. Oh my gosh. Yeah, click OK. So this through traffic. Don't add it until it says connector. Now you can see the difference. It says add connector, so you can add it now. Click OK. So connect this left with those left. So it doesn't say connect. You want to connect here, but it says add link. Don't connect it. Make sure you're connecting for connector. Oh my gosh. You can see now. Keep sentence line. Click OK. So you can pretty much check which link has been connected with the through or left turn. Whatever is remaining for the left turns, you can click this toggle wireframe and you can check this left turn is okay, my through is okay in every direction, but there is a missing connectors from this left to that through, from this left to this through. So let's connect it. You can recalculate. It is showing this because you have this link way more inside the intersection. So when you pull it back, little bit back, and you have to adjust everything accordingly. Pull it back, click that, recalculate it, now everything is equal same. From this left, connect to that. Didn't connect well, so your is here, end is here. Yeah. From line 2 to line 2, keep 10, click OK. Now let's check everything is connected now. You see the left turners this way, this way, this way, one, and from this through to the left turn on northbound, southbound, eastbound, and westbound is missing. Let's draw that one. So if it does right 1-2 times, check, make sure where's your end, connect, connect until it says add connector. Sometimes it's hard in this license, but some connect like that. Yeah, now it's connected. So we give a spline. So now your drawing network is okay. You can skip the center network. You can reduce a little bit length, easiness, or it depends on your design how long you want your intersection to be analyzed. Okay, thank you.